Hello everyone. Today, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to integrate Stripe with Ontraport. To begin, sign up for an account on the Ontraport website by using the link in the description box. Let's get started. Integrating Stripe with Ontraport in 2024 streamlines payment processing within your Ontraport account. Begin by accessing the Integrations section in your Ontraport account and locating the Stripe integration. Connect your Stripe account by following the prompts and configuring the settings according to your preferences, including default currency and payment methods. Create payment forms within Ontraport, customize them to collect necessary payment information, and link them to products or services you want to sell. Before going live, test transactions using test credit card details provided by Stripe to ensure seamless processing. Once live, monitor transactions within Ontraport, tracking payment status and amounts. If you encounter any issues, both Ontraport and Stripe offer support resources to assist you throughout the integration process. And that's it. Simply click the link in the description to access the platform. Thank you for watching.